Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your IMB bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your IMB bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address imb.com.au like this and don't enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the IMB bank account like this. Now, in order to log into your IMB internet banking account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login to internet banking. Click over there like this, and you'll be taken to the login panel of the IMB bank accounts. Like this, where you'll be required to enter your member number, which you had registered or which you got from the IMB bank, and then enter your password like this. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here, which says the reset password button. If you click over there, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your IMB bank account's password. And after entering your member number and your password, simply click on sign in over here, and then you'll be signed into your IMB bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.